surprisingly enough, chicken feet. Sounds gross, right? You guys can see the meat's coming off the bone. Pot full of meat. That's why exactly. Yeah. So you're scared to say it on camera because she gonna watch it too. It's good?
You can open up a restaurant.
Alright, that's a little too ambitious, but alright, it's okay. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey my amazing people, how are you guys doing? It's me, Greg again, coming from beautiful Paramaribo, Suriname on a beautiful mid-afternoon on a Saturday. So guys, today I'm very excited because today I'm going to cook you one of my specialty, another specialty of mine. This dish is a traditional staple dish of Suriname, and you can find this dish in any Surinamese household, whether in Suriname or around the world. Even at special occasions like birthday parties or like cultural holidays or like, you know, any celebration, you can find this dish. This dish has it stamped in our culture. So what is this dish? Yes guys, this dish is Bruine Bonen met Rijst. And Nicholas at the back there is laughing because that's his favorite dish. Yes guys, Bruine Bonen met Rijst. Bruine Bonen met Rijst translated means brown beans with rice. Brown beans with rice? I mean, you may ask, brown beans with rice, what's so special about that dish? Brown beans and rice, that doesn't sound like an important dish, right? Well, it's the ingredients involved and how it's prepared. If you go to a local restaurant in Suriname that's selling this kind of a dish, on the menu you may see it says Bebe met air. Bebe means Bruine Bonen met, M-E-T, translated as with air Rijst. Bruine Bonen met Rijst. So to shorten it, Bebe met air. It's also another name for Bruine Bonen with rice or brown beans with rice. What makes this dish so special is the kind of meat you will use inside. And I know coming down from the years, 50 years ago to now, many people probably put their own twist in how they make this Bruine Bonen. I'm going to try to do it the authentic way for you, or at least I'm going to see if I can do it the way it's been done 100 years ago. I'll try. You can use any kinds of meat. You can use beef, pork, chicken, whatever you. But to make it traditionally as it is, the most common meats that you'll use would be smoked sausage, salted meat like salt beef or salted pigtail, and surprisingly enough, chicken feet. Sounds gross, right? Maybe you'll think, chicken feet? I know many of you don't like chicken feet, but guys, this is a delicious part of the chicken, and that's what makes this Bruine Bonen so special, because of the gooiness of the chicken feet. And that's a common part of the chicken they'll use inside. So guys, I'm going to prepare these ingredients here that you see on the countertop. I'll prepare these ingredients, and while I'm preparing these ingredients, you guys grab your plates, sit, relax, and I'm going to prepare lunch for you guys today. Okay? So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so here are my ingredients for this delicious Bruine Bonen met Rijst, brown beans with rice. And I'm using, for choice of meat, salted meat, pigtail, smoked sausages. You have some chicken feet and some chicken parts. Typically what you'll find in a Bruine Bonen met Rijst, a typical Suriname Bruine Bonen. I got a Bruine Bonen here, it's a brand from Holland, I can't remember. I have some tomatoes, green onions, and celery for garnishing at the end. Onions, garlic, pepper, green seasoning, all grind up. This beautiful pepper, Madame Jeanette, is going to give this Bruine Bonen its flavor. Got some tomato puree, some other seasoning, some bay leaves and lontai, some black soy to give the chicken some color, and the only fake seasoning I have here is Maggi. I think that's not that healthy for you instead of salt. Because remember, guys, this is all very salty. I boiled it out twice, and I think it's still got some salt. So we're gonna have to go with the taste of this before we add some more salt. And I won't be using black pepper today because Mom, she has a problem with stomach burns with black pepper. That's why I'm adding all these bad boys there inside today. So okay, guys, so let's put this all together. You guys, I know you're waiting to eat. So let's get cooking. The oil is heating up there in the pot. Some more. And then we'll start putting this all together. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to add is the onion, garlic, green seasoning, pepper combined together. That's too much, I won't put all of it. That's probably enough. Yep. It is gonna fry for a few seconds. You can smell the pepper all over the house. Wow, that's a very strong aroma. We'll put the tomatoes. Let it fry for a while. Add some puree. Alright. Stir this all up. Just throw these leaves in there. That's all for flavor. Alright. I don't know what's the other name for this thing. I mean, I know it as lontai. I don't know what else to call it. I mean, there's an English name for it, but I can't remember what it is. Okay. Remember, guys, I won't put the salt because the salt meat already is salty. So you gotta go by taste and see how much salt is inside. So we let this all come together for a few seconds and then we'll put the meat inside. You may think it's just brown beans, right? Well, it's the ingredients that goes together with the brown beans that's gonna make it so delicious. You'll see, guys. You'll see. You'll see. Alright, let's give it some more stir. Get ready for the chicken. And I know some of you may say chicken feet are so gross. And I've heard people saying that. But guys, you don't know what you're missing, man. This is so delicious. This is all gonna fry up for a while now. So now I'm gonna add the black soy for color, just to give it some color and some flavor. Not too much. Yeah. I think I want a little bit more tomato puree. A little bit more, some more. Alright. Alright guys, looking good, looking good. It's coming together. Chicken feet are basically tough, so it'll take some time before it can be fully cooked. So this is gonna fry up for a while. Okay, after about after about 5 minutes of frying, this is what it's looking like now. Look at that, guys, look at that. Okay, so I will add some water in it. It has to boil for maybe 10 minutes because the feet is still tough. There's one more thing I'm supposed to add, I almost forgot. Some ginger. Fresh ginger is better, but I'll just add some ginger powder. Not too much, to help give it a flavor. Alright. Just stir this up. Okay. Let it keep cooking. Let's check it again. You guys can see the meat's coming off the bone. I mean, it's cooked, but it needs to cook some more. So at this stage, I'm gonna add the other meat inside. That's some pigtail with some salt, salted pigtail with salt beef. Smoked sausage. I don't need Bruine Bonen in this anymore. Pot full of meat. Pot full of meat. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's a lot of meat in here. Alright, so then we can put this goes in there too. And then we're gonna add some more water. It's gonna boil. I like it, I like it. Let me just taste for salt. Need some more salt. I need some more salt, guys. So in goes the Bruine Bonen, the main guy. I don't think the Bruine Bonen is enough for this pot. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. And here's the other thing, guys. Here's the other thing. Some people, when they make Bruine Bonen met rijst, they like to have it with lots of sauce to cover the meat and the beans in the pot. Some people like to have it like a thick consistency, not that thin or too much sauce. It all depends on how you would wanna have it with rice. I like it in between, not too thin, not too thick. And if you want to get it to have a thick consistency, like like a thick sauce, what some people will do, they will kind of squash the beans. They'll kind of mash it up a little bit, so they'll have kind of a thick sauce. But if you look at the beans, it's already very, very, very soft. So I like it this way. That's what I call a Bruine Bonen. Yes, man, yes. All right, so it'll boil for about 5 minutes more. Then I'll add the garnishing, and then it's finished. All right, for the final touches. Look at that, guys. Look at that. See that, guys? Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna add the celery and the green onions for garnishing. And I'll give it such a nice flavor. See the beans are here. See the beans? It was a bit too much of meat inside, but I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. So that's it, guys. That's a typical Suriname Bruine Bonen met rice. Okay, Bruine Bonen, but we're eating it with rice. It's a typical Surinamese Bruine Bonen. There is it. I cooked this special for you today. I don't know if I did a good job. And my buddy Nicholas will taste how my cooking is today because he loves Bruine Bonen. Nicholas, You're gonna try just now, right?
Yes. I'm Bruine Bonen connoisseur.
All for you guys. All right, so
Nicholas, say hi.
Hello, hello. You haven't seen me in a long time. Like, you know, had to make a special appearance since I'm the star.
okay, so we're gonna taste some for you, and we'll tell you how it tastes. Okay, guys, it so happened Nicholas worked with me here at home today, and coincidentally, this man died for Bruine Bonen. You want to poison him? Give him Bruine Bonen. You can poison him. He's gonna taste it, and then he can say what he thinks about this typical, delicious Suriname staple food. Go ahead, Nicholas.
Okay, let's see here. Whew. Let me get a good chunk so I can get everything, you know?
All right. Go ahead.
Let's see this.
What do you think about the man cooking? Eh? The man can cook or what?
I approve.
You approve?
I approve.
What do you think? Better more than man cooking?
Well, you gotta work on that, but like,
I got work on that?
hey,
Oh,
that's
I know.
My butter. That's my butter.
That's
but
why
like,
exactly. So
yeah.
you're scared to say it on camera because she gonna watch it too. I understand. But how is it?
It was good. It was good.
It's good?
You can open up a restaurant.
All right. That's a little too ambitious, but all right. It's okay. All right. See? Looks like on the plate. Go ahead, eat, buddy. And then to go with Bruine Bonen, you have a glass of Coke. Hey guys, I cook this myself. Even if it tastes good, I'm gonna say it good, right, for the camera. But I can't, Nicholas, I don't lie, so I'll give you guys the honest truth. Taking the smoked sausage. It's not bad. I think I can make a better Bruine Bonen, but it's good. It's good for the after long time cooking. But this here is the Madame Jeanette. This is what gives this thing a kick. That's a Suriname Bruine Bonen. If it's authentic, I don't know. I tried to make it close to being authentic, but tell me guys if I made it authentic. I don't know if there's any ingredients there added that should be in here. I don't know guys, but it's good guys. Okay guys, so Nicholas
I'm almost done. Finish eating it. That's how good it is.
and myself, we're gonna continue eating, and we're gonna enjoy this Bruine Bonen. It's actually my dinner. So thank you guys for joining us while I cook this. I wish you guys can have some. If you guys want to have some, come along. You know where I'm living, you come and get some. There's a whole pot full there. I'll try to cook some more of these Suriname dishes. I'll see what I'll cook next. If you guys want to learn to cook this, I'm not a chef. I try. This is the basic. This is the foundation, and you guys can do the rest. So I'm not teaching anyone here to cook. I'm just showing you the methods and how you can cook it. You can try for yourself, and you can see how you can add, subtract. You can, you know, that show Pimp My Ride. You can pimp the Bruine Bonen. You can do what you want. It's your choice. So thank you guys for joining us in that cook show. Thank you guys for always supporting me, for always commenting on my stuff, for all my subscribers, for all those who comment on my stuff all the time. Thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. I've made lots of friends through my channel, and I do appreciate every one of you. So keep subscribing, keep watching, keep supporting, and I will catch you on the other video. God bless. Take care.